Here we will see creating a standard crystal report using Report Wizard. As you know, to add a new report, select from Project menu, add new item, then select from Reporting Crystal Report. When you select Crystal Report, it will give you three options: using Report Wizard, blank report, or from an existing report. Here we will use using Report Wizard standard option and we will click on OK. When you click on OK, it will ask you for selecting the data source, that is, choose the data which you want to print on report. For this, click on new connection and then select the database file or OLEDB provider. Here we will use OLEDB provider. Then we will select the provider for our access, that is Microsoft Office 12.0. Then click on next. It will ask the data source, that select the database name from which we are going to select the table name. Then click on next. It will ask the table name from the database that you have selected. Select the table name. Then it will ask the fields that you want to display on the report. To select a field, click on this single arrow for selecting a single field, or if you want to select all fields, click on this arrow. Then select the group on which you want to make the grouping for the field. This is optional. Select the summarized option to display the summary of fields. It will generate a report. Here we will add a report here. Before adding any report, create a folder here for storing all reports in same folder. Then right click on this report folder, click on add new item, select reporting crystal report, give the name related to the data that you are going to display. I will give it employee master list and I will click on add. It will ask using Report Wizard. I will select standard and I will click on OK. I will click on create new connection. From there I will select OLEDB. Then I will select the provider Microsoft Office 12.0. Then I will select the data source, that is database name. I will select the student database and I will open it. Then I will click on next and finish. It will add all the tables related to the database student. From this I will select the employee data. Then I will click on next. It will display all the fields that are present in the employee data. Select the fields that you are going to display on the report. You can double click it or you can select the field and click here. I will select these 4 fields and I will click on next. Here I don't want to make any group. Then I will click on next. I will select the standard report and I will click finish. It will create the report. When I click on this report preview, it will display the data that is present in the table.